I've been testing compact four-wheel scooters, and the Vive four-wheel mobility scooter stands out as a surprisingly practical option when you want value and simplicity. The Vive model breaks down for transport, comes with an on/off-board charger, a basket, and claims a light but sturdy frame. The heaviest disassembled piece is commonly cited around 29 pounds. On the retail side, it's often priced well below premium brands. Vive Health has shown it around $674.99 in some listings, making it a nice budget-friendly pick if you want a four-wheel footprint without a huge price tag. Performance is in line with the category: comfortable padded seat, simple control panel, modest top speed for safety, and a realistic range for short errands and indoor-outdoor mix. Review counts on Vive's store pages run into the hundreds, and the product has solid user feedback for ease of assembly and portability. Buyers comment that it's a good balance of price, portability, and features. Downsides: it's still heavier than ultra-portable three-wheel travel scooters, and the range isn't for long countryside trips, but for everyday errands it's dependable. Wrap up: for shoppers who want a competent four-wheel scooter without the high price tag, Vive is a solid choice, especially if you prefer a ready-to-go unit with charger and basket. We share buy links in description box.